Hello everyone, how are you all? My name is Khurram Shahzad and I am from HTL channel team. And today I will show you our intercom devices, like we have main door station, we have indoor station, and we have modules. So how to connect modules with the main door station and indoor station device, how to configure, how to connect different modules with the devices, I will show you today. So we have some devices today. Let's have a look. Let's unbox the devices. Here we have some user manuals, some wiring connections. This is, we have main indoor station. And the next part we have main door station device. Okay. Next to this packing, we have a PoE switch and PoE switch, 4-port PoE switch, and the one is uplink, and we have this bracket for this main door station. And this is, we have a power supply, power source for this PoE switch. I will connect first PoE switch, and I will connect then the patch cords. So I will connect this one just here, and this is the supply for this. Okay, so the next thing is, I just opened another box. Here we have 2 door stations and 2 indoor stations, and all of these devices I will configure as a one system, like 2 door stations, one for the main door, the second for the back door or basement door or any door, and the first one as an indoor station and the second one as a extension. Okay, so here we have some ports. We have a network interface here, and we have the ports to connect locks and the exit button. So here I have a patch cord. So first I will connect these devices with the patch cord to the switch. First I connected the first door station into the network port, and this port is PoE port. Second cord with the another door station, and this one, the door station, we have to fix inside this bracket. Okay, and now indoor stations. This device is also a PoE devices. So as you can see now, the device is booting up now. Okay, and the configuration is very easy nowadays. How many devices you have outdoor, mean the door stations, and how many you have indoor extensions, you can configure only by the help of main indoor station device. No need any of your PC software, SADP tools, or even IVMS. So everything we can configure by the help of this in a villa solution. If we have apartment, if we have more than 15, 20 or 25 indoor stations, of course we need a software configuration. That part is easy. So very first thing, I will activate this device. I will put password. If you can see, you must put there a strong password there. Okay, once I confirm password, now the device accepted the password, so it means device is activated now. The very first step, device will ask you to set the language. So there is around 21 languages are there. So the first one is English, so I just choose English and the click on next button. The next thing, device will ask to you to set a reserved email, or the second option is you can set as a security question answers. These two options just to reset the password in case you forget. These two steps you can use to reset the password. I will just do here security question answers. You can choose yours. Okay, I just type there answers. So then I click on the next button. The next thing is step number 3. There is a step numbers there on the top, so you can set the IP. Okay, so if you connected this system, your POS switch, to the network, you can put their IP, your network range. Okay, which is your network range of the network, you can put their IP. Or once you enable DSCP option, it will take automatically IP from the network and it will disable. So right now I didn't have any network here, so it will not take any IP. So I will click only on the next button. Here you have a indoor station settings, step number 4. There is a device type, indoor station, room number 1, you can set accordingly. Advanced settings, you have a community number, building number, unit number or floor number. So the downside, there is one option, registration password. So same as the admin password, you can choose as admin password here, or you can type manually if you want to set the different password. I just chosen here same as the admin password. So after this I will click on the next. So the next 5th number step is Wi-Fi option. Even this device you can connect with the Wi-Fi option. The next step is time zone here. So you must choose the same time zone. If you are using in UAE, you must choose a GMT +4, which is UAE time zone, standard time. Okay, after choosing this time zone, just click on next. Then the step number 7, it will ask you to enable high connect services. If you want to connect with your mobile application, you must enable these services. Okay, right now I didn't connect any internet connection here, so I cannot enable these things. I can enable, but device will not come online. So the next step, in the next step, the step number 8, under this step all the door stations are showing here. How many you have? Maybe 3, 4 or 5, all it will show into the list. So the status is showing inactive here. So once I choose these two, this device will activate these 2 outdoor stations, activate and do the configuration. Right now it's inactive. So once I select this one and then I click on the next button, the message is here, the main and sub door stations password should be the same, or the registration will be failed, please change the device password. This message is if I already activated these devices, then I have to put them manually. Right now this device is inactive, so no need this one. I simply click on next. So I have another indoor extension, so I should in the next step I should enable this indoor extension option. Once I enable this, then how many indoor extensions I have, it will come into the list. So this is I have as an indoor extension. So I just choose this device here and then click on this device is also inactive. Okay, so after choosing this device, just click on the finish button. It will take around 1 minute according to our devices. If our devices is more than this much quantity, maybe it will take 1 minute or 1.5 minute. Let's see further. I will show you. So after that pairing, you will get this option as a configured. Then you can click on the start button. Okay, so to check this device is communicating or no, okay, you can go to the live view. Here you will have two door stations. So the first one you having this is the device first one. My hand is here, okay, and if you will go back, go to the second door station. If I bring my hand here, so this is the second door station. So as I told you, this is very easy configuration nowadays, so you can do the same thing. Okay, so here after configuration I just noticed time is not correct. So because of I didn't connect the internet also because of this. So once I go to set the time, I just go to the settings option. Then there is another on the right side you have a setting button. The setting name is general settings. Once you go to the time and date, so here you can set the time. The first thing is year, so this one is 2025 second, and today I believe it's a 6. Okay, and the time is now 11:22. So here I can do 11:22. This is the things you can set accordingly. Okay, so once I go to the home page, this is your home page. The time is correct now. Once you set the time on the main device, it will synchronize the time to the other devices. You can see here to the other device the same time. Okay, so now to change the name of these door stations, maybe the front door, back door or basement door, you have to set the name. You can go to the setting option. Then on the right side, fifth number option, the option name is advanced settings. Under this advanced setting, you have to go to the configuration. So here you have to give your activation password. Okay, once you go to the activation password, this is the option you will get. So once you go here on the right side, you have a third option. The option name is device management. Okay, under this device management, you have the second option, main door station. So this is your main door station. The first one is the main door, the second one as a sub door. So once you click here, on the right side you have, this is the main door, it's showing, this is the sub door. So you have a setting button. Once you click on the setting button, the first option is as a name you can set. Once you click here on an arrow button, you can type here the name. So I can do here front door. Okay, configured. Okay, I will go back, and the second one now I can choose there back door. Okay, now again I will go to the main door station settings. Here is the further things to configure this door station. I can choose language and the network if I have to give the different IP. Okay, here the next option is door lock parameters. Under this door lock parameters, you can set the lock unlock time. Like if you want to open the door after authentication 2 seconds, 3 seconds or 5 seconds, you can set here the time. Till that seconds, it will keep your lock unlock as unlock. Okay, so what is this option? This is the second option, is lock to message enable. this device you can connect two locks. The first one is as a maybe pedestrian door, okay, walking door, and next to that door, maybe after there is a distance 1 meter or 2 meter, you can connect here your garage door connections. So with the help of this one device you can control your two doors, two locks, okay. So by first one is by default is enable. The second one you have to enable from this menu, from this setting, okay. And then you can set the uh, timing also, okay. And under this one you can set the name also. Door one mean you can say small door or pedestrian, okay. The other one you can give the name here, garage door, okay. Go back, there is no any save button. Once you go back, the setting will save automatically, okay. The next thing is you can set the volume settings to this device, okay. Microphone volume, output volume, or the call volume. The next option is public password. So public password, normally if you want to use, you must need to use this keypad module, okay. By the help of this keypad module you can type a public password, a passcode, or the password, or the pin code. Here we can set 16 public passwords, okay, and we can choose door 1 or door 2, which door we want to control and which password we are giving to control the which door. The next option is restore to default settings. So this device now we can do a restore to default setting or restore all, okay. And the next option is device reboot. So mean this device no need to remove the cable or switch off the power or something. By the help of this device we can do this device reboot, this one or this one, we can do a reboot. So this is the configuration we can do this devices by the help of this device, okay. And the further things I will show you how we can connect this device. If you want to use this keypad module, okay, then you have to buy another bracket. So you can fix this door station and this keypad module under this one bracket. Let me unbox, so further you can see. Once you get this bracket, you will get some connectors, okay. So that connectors you have to connect here. There is one input RS485 input and the other one is RS485 output, okay. So the connector I will show you, you will get like this connectors, okay. So better to turn off the power first of your POE switch. I just turn off the power. So this is our main device, main door device, and here we have RS485 output, not input into this device, only output, okay. So I will connect this connector here, okay. The next thing, output from here, and downside this module we have one port is input, the other port is output. Output from here to connect into the input RS485 connection, okay. And back side there is one dip switch. Under the dip switch we have 8 pins, 8 switch you can say. So once you remove this cover, okay, from here you will get this, you will have this dip switch. There is 8 pins. So the first number you have to turn it on. So turn it on mean you have to make it upside, other all is should be downside, okay. Once you done this, put this packaging cover back here, okay. Now turn this PO switch, turn on this PO switch. Okay, so it will take around 1 minute or 1.5 minutes to boot up all the devices. Okay. So how to unlock the door by the help of this keypad module, I will show you now. Have to go to the setting option, then advanced settings, and go to the configuration, and we have to give here activation password. Then we have to go to the device management option. This is a device management. Then main door, this is the main door. Then we have to go to the setting button, setting option, and there is a, once you go down, scroll down, there is a public password. Click to this arrow and here we can choose a public password number 1, door number 1 or door number 2, and here we can type 4455, confirm password 4455. Okay, and we will just click on OK button. Its password changed. Okay, so we can, how we can test this, we can go back. Okay. So I just assign a password here, okay, public password. So how to unlock from here, just press first hash 4455 hash.
The door is open.
Door is open. You will get this message from here. Okay, and from inside, if you want to unlock the door, you can directly go here, which door you want to choose. As before I changed the name, front door or a back door, I will go to the front door. Which lock I want to unlock, lock number 1 pedestrian or lock number 2 as a garage. I can unlock from here, lock number 2 or lock number 1. Okay, so this is the very basic settings, so you can do. Okay, one more thing I want to show to you, like once we go to the setting, we will go, we don't have a network here, so this main indoor station device, the main one, we can connect to the Wi-Fi also to configure mobile application. So here we have a Wi-Fi, so I will connect this one. Okay, I just put the password, so it's connecting and it's connected now. Once I go to the advanced setting to check the online status, go to configuration part. Here I will give activation password. Okay, so now I will go to the system maintenance option, and here is HiConnect service settings. Once I go here, I should enable this option, and I have to give here a verification code. So verification code any you can give, like I will give 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so once I give this verification code here, right now it's showing disconnected. So after some setting, it will become as a online here or connected. Right now you can see the status is here is connected. Then further, once you download the application by scanning this QR code and you registered an account, then you can scan this QR code to register or link with your mobile application account. Whenever some of your guests will press the bell button of this one, first call will come here, then after you will get call on your mobile application. You can unlock the door from your mobile application, or you can talk to the person or your guest. Thank you guys.